The EMA 50 certainly is right now at $0.001 in an unpretentious manner. The $0.000746695 support level for SPEL United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly, really is genuinely critical. SPEL United States dollar truly is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a kind of significant manner. Bears control SPEL's kind of current cost activities, which most certainly is very huge. 28 July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through sort of SPEL commonly token cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time. Basically got clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is essentially momentary cost expectation for explicitly SPEL token fundamentally is in a real sense SPEL a kind of wise speculation, which generally is very critical. SPEL genuinely token help and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the SPEL specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a huge manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100, which basically is very critical. The sort of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $26,292,611,763, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 0.23%. Coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of is very huge. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, exhibiting how the EMA 50 really is presently at $0.001 in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the really local coin of BNB by and large, is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions most certainly show that the market certainly is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for pretty momentary in a fundamentally enormous manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, general certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents, following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, exhibiting SPEL truly token help and opposition backing and obstruction, most certainly are significant specialized pointers, used to essentially distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how right now, and in every practical sense, general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, exhibiting how the EMA 50 especially is at present at $0.001 in a fundamentally large manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become in every practical sense all the more extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers in a real sense move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how SPEL United States dollar explicitly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690, or so they for the most part thought. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of basically SPEL in every practical sense, token, SPEL, sort of SPEL extremely token execution, the cost of especially SPEL pretty token, SPEL, explicitly is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, showing how as of now, a truly broad, certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents, following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, exhibiting how the EMA 50, for the most part, is at present at $0.001, or so they really thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars in every practical sense, further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very critical. There certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 sort of are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, or so they for the most part thought. Spell sort of token value investigation most certainly spell cost examination for 28 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time period. Basically made sense of beneath in every practical sense, further appearance how as of now, a very broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, exhibiting how the EMA 50 sort of is right now at $0.001, which in a real sense is very critical. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward, moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA to by and large examine the future development of the SPEL token, or so they sort of thought. While Spell's Williams %R marker truly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign fundamentally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a sort of descending course, for kind of momentary in an unpretentious manner. The Spell United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD marker truly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment, certainly sell sort of sign, as the MACD line is